Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back and I just completed another trade for today, and today is April the 8th. Only did one trade so far. Might do another one. I'll just have to check the market and see what's happening. So today I did the pound Aussie. I took the trade about 25 minutes ago right here at this cursor. Followed my pip trigger trading rules. With my initial 20 pip stop right here, that little mark there, and I closed it out with 21 or 22 pips. So I was very happy with that. I closed it out because if you take a look at the 30 minutes, it's hitting this area right here. Lots of support, and that's why we're getting a wick right here. I'm expecting a pullback, and if it does do a pullback up and hook around, and as long as the meter and everything is still good for selling, I can always get back into trade. That's the way the market moves. It'll hit support, it'll bounce, and then it'll give another push and it may break the bottom. I teach all of these tricks and tips within my training videos. When you should close the trade and how to get back into the trade. That's all within the pip trigger training videos that come with the pip trigger full package. So that's exactly the way I like to trade. I'm a day trader. Just like to get in the trade and grab anywhere from 10 to 30 pips or whatever the market will give me. I'm hoping for a bit of a pullback and then hook around, especially on the smaller time frames. Let's go down to the 15 minutes and or the 5 minutes. So if it does a pullback up, hook around, I will check the meter and make sure that it's still good for going short. All we can do is just sit and wait and see what happens. Hi traders, Forex Nelson is finally back. I did one more trade. I kept with the pound Aussie. If you remember just earlier, I sold it on the way down right here with a 20 pip stop, and I ended up with 21 pips, if you remember that. So I was waiting for the London close and to pull back up. So this right here is the London close. Now it can happen a little before, a little after. There is a triple bottom here. But I ended up buying right at this point, at this cursor. Went against me about 14 pips. And it took a while. It went up, it went down, it went up, and I decided to finally close it with a total of 7 pips to the good there. This is in real time. It's happening right now. And it is around 12:30, lunchtime. I got to do some errands, plus I have to talk to a trader, so I'm busy. So that was 21 and 7 is 28 pips for today. I'm happy with anywhere from 20 to 30 pips. I'm happy with that. 1 to 3 trades generally is a rule. And so today's grand total, it was $1,944. So today turned out to be a half decent day, and as I said, I have to shut things down. I got things I got to do. So if you're interested in the pip trigger, you want some more information, just look right below this video and you'll see a write-up similar to this. Pip trigger full package, charged $250 for, has well over 20 gigabytes of training, and you will get an exact copy of my pip trigger onto your platform. Now basically you're buying my main pip trigger, and I throw in 11 more versions of my pip triggers, so for a grand total of 12 versions. You will get 15 MT4 templates along with 21 of the custom indicators that you need to make the pip trigger work, along with 4 meters. And if you do the math, 12 versions of it works out to $20 for each one approximately. So it's a pretty good deal. There's 21 bonus videos along with a lot of PDF books and Word documents for you traders who like to read. And don't forget the $1 Million Trade Plan. That's for you traders with smaller accounts. It's where you're turning $1,000 and in 10 months you turn that into $1 million. All you need is one trade a day, and all you need is 10 pips. And every day I consistently get more than 10 pips. Today was almost 30 pips. And there are a lot of training videos because there is a lot of ways to trade. That's why I've done many training videos, 360 of them. And I teach many different ways to trade. And the more ways you learn how to trade, the more pips you'll be making, and that relates into obviously more money. So if you have any questions about the pip trigger and or the $1 Million Trade Plan, feel free to call me directly. Here's my number, my cell, or you can send me an email. I answer quite quickly. And of course, I do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. That's right, you heard me correctly. I'll give a free session, no charge, there's no obligation. I will show you more on the pip trigger and answer all your questions for free. So all you got to do is get in Skype contact. My Skype ID is Forex_Nelson. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade and video, happy trading.